My endless love letter to you. My love, there is something about the way your name sits in my heart like a gentle rhythm, a climbing breezy, a melody that plays on repeat in the quietest corners of my soul. I find myself thinking about you at the most unexpected times when I wake up and see the morning light filter through the curtain, when I close my eyes and hear the whisper of the wind, when the stars appear and the world slow down. You are in everything, very everywhere, always loving. You has been the most extraordinary journey of my life. I never knew someone could feel so deeply, so completely consumed by the fire of emotion, heat, comfort by the claim it brings. It's in the way you smile, that smile that holds galaxy in it, that can melt all my fears and pain. It's in the way you speak, the way your voice despair, warmth and truth, the way your laughter becomes the soundtrack of my happiest moments. You have become my heart home, every thought, every plan, every dream now cries your name, your image, your spirit. Before you, life was black and white. Now it's brushing in color, painted in every shade of. You have shown me that it means to love without condition, to care without expectations, to give without speaking score, and for that I am endlessly grateful. Even the little things mean everything, the way your eyes light up when you are excited, how you sprinkle your nose when you are annoyed, how your hands fit perfectly in mine as if they were made to hold my heart. I live for those moments, I crave them, I store them in the sacred space of my memories and replay them whenever the world feels too heavy. My love for you is not just poetic, it's real, it's steady, it's fires, it's walking up and choosing you again and again, even on the hard days, even in silence. It's waiting to how your past love you respect and walk hand in hand into your future. I do not just have love who you are now, I love who you have been, who you are becoming, and who you will be years from now, with wrinkles intact into your beautiful skin and wisdom shining in your eyes. You make me want to be better, no just for me, but for us. You inspire a vision of me I never thought I could be, a vision who is more painted, more open, more giving, more hopeful. You have give me the kind of love that heals, that steadiness, that uplifts. I know life won't always be easy. There will be storms and moments of doubt, days when we may not understand each other, nights when silence speaks louder than words. But I want to face all of it with you. I want to stand in the rain, holding your hand to wipe your tears and feel your heartbeat next to mine. I want to be your safe place, your strongest supporter, your softest shoulder. You are forever. You are the poem I will never stop writing, the song I will never stop singing, the dream I will never want to wake from. With you, I have learned that real love does not just complete you, it relieves you, it peels away every fear, every wall, and leaves you bare. It somehow stronger than ever, and I have never felt more myself than I do with you. I love you endlessly, windly, unconditionally, in every way, in every time, in every universe where you and I are meant to find each other forever. Yours, your heartbeat, your partner, your everything.